One of the most powerful features of LumaViewPro, our microscope control software, is the ability to teach locations easily anywhere within a microplate footprint. In order to demonstrate this, I thought I would define locations according to our logo. I'll open the channel control menu on the right for the bright field illumination, and then the protocol menu on the left, and click New to begin defining imaging locations. Right-clicking on a place in the image recenters the field of view, which can then be added by clicking the Add button. Further right-clicking along the letter allows me to generate a Labware map in the pattern of our logo. You can see the letters appear on our Labware map in yellow. We offer all of the standard dish, slide, and microplate Labware maps, and even allow you to edit these in the Labware JSON file under Data. New microplates can be defined by their array dimensions, well spacing, and first well offsets. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.